Stop. Look at your bank account. Whatever number you see, multiply it by 1 million. Now multiply that again. Still not enough. Not even close. The man we are talking about today was so rich, modern economists could not calculate his wealth. They gave up. There was no number for it. He was so rich that he destroyed economies just by spending money. No wars, no weapons, just gold. An entire country suffered. His name was Mansa Musa, and today, you are him. This is not a myth. Everything you are about to hear actually happened. And when you understand what being this rich means, you may not want it anymore. Section 1. Who are you? It is 1312. You have become the Mansa, the king of kings, the ruler of the Mali Empire. Your empire controls enormous gold mines. Nearly half of the world's gold comes from your land. Half of all the gold on Earth. Modern historians estimate your wealth at around $400 billion. More than entire countries. Welcome to your life. Section 2. Daily life. Your palace is enormous. Hundreds of rooms, thousands of servants, gold cups, gold furniture, gold dust on the floors. You wake up every day walking on gold. You do not carry money. If you want something, people bring it to you. You are so rich that giving away gold means nothing. Your advisors once stopped you from giving too much away to beggars because generosity barely affects your wealth. Section 3. The pilgrimage. In 1324, you decide to go to Mecca, the Hajj, but you are not a normal traveler. You travel with 60,000 people, 12,000 servants, hundreds carrying golden staffs, tons of it, just for spending money. Your caravan stretches across the desert like a golden river, and everywhere you go, you spend and give and spend more. Section 4. Cairo. Then you arrive in Cairo, one of the richest cities in the world, and you begin giving away gold to everyone. Poor people, merchants, religious leaders, mosques. You hand out gold constantly for 3 months. But there is a problem. Valuable because it is rare, and when everyone suddenly has gold, its value collapses. Prices explode. Food becomes expensive. The economy breaks. Without meaning to, you crash Egypt's economy. Historians say it took over a decade to recover, all because one rich man passed through the city. And the craziest part? You barely noticed. Section 5. Mecca. You finally arrive in Mecca, and even there, your wealth becomes legendary. You build mosques, fund schools, support scholars. You hire architects to transform your empire. Timbuktu becomes one of the greatest centers of learning in the world. Libraries, universities, thousands of students. Your gold reshapes civilization. Section 6. The world finds out. Before your journey, most of Europe barely knew Mali existed. After your pilgrimage, everything changes. Stories spread everywhere. In 1375, a famous map called the Catalan Atlas shows you holding gold on a throne. You became so famous that cartographers placed you on world maps, like a mountain, like a river. You were so rich, you became geography. Section 7. The dark side. But wealth has a dark side. Trust disappears, everyone wants something from you. You never know who truly cares about you, or who only cares about your gold. You become the biggest target on Earth. You can never be alone. Guards surround you constantly. You are powerful, but trapped, a prisoner of wealth. And after your death, your empire slowly collapses. The gold is fought over, the libraries burn, the universities close, everything fades, because no amount of money lasts forever. Section 8. What would you do? Now think about this. If you had Mansa Musa's wealth, what would happen? At first, you buy everything you ever wanted, but eventually, nothing feels special anymore. When you can have anything, everything loses value. Maybe that is why Mansa Musa gave so much away, because gold meant almost nothing to him. But his wealth also brought isolation, enemies, loneliness. The richest man who ever lived may have also been one of the loneliest. Mansa Musa died around 1337. The exact date is unknown, but some things survived him. The mosques, the knowledge, the stories, the legacy. His gold disappeared, but what he built remained. And maybe that is the real lesson. Wealth means nothing by itself. What matters is what you create with it. So the real question is not, what if you were the richest person who ever lived? The real question is, what would you build? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Dread Files, and comment below. If you had Mansa Musa's wealth for one day, what is the first thing you would do?